Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? How are you? I'm happy. What is today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Wednesday. What's the weather? It's sunny. Say hello in the comments. Today, we will listen to a story. Let's go. Pup, Panda, and Friends Go on Vacation. Written and illustrated by Susan Grootsmacher. Hello, my name is Goat. What's your name? Hi, Goat. My name is Ladybug. Hi, Ladybug. These are my friends. Hello, friends. Hi, Ladybug. We are cat and fish. Who is this? Hi, cat and fish. This is a family. Hi, Ladybug. I am Panda. When does the family go on vacation? Hi, Panda. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Panda, the family goes on vacation in July. Hi, Ladybug. I am Jellyfish. Where does the family go? Hi, Jellyfish. The family goes to the sea. Hello, Ladybug. We are Hippo and Kangaroo. Where does the family sleep? Hey, Hippo and Kangaroo. The family sleeps in a hotel. Hi, Ladybug. I'm Bat. What's the weather on vacation? Hi, Bat. It's sunny on vacation. Hello, Ladybug. My name is Kangaroo. How does the family go? Hey, Kangaroo. The family does not go by train. Hello, Ladybug. My name is Hippo. How does the family go? Hey, Hippo. The family does not go by bus. Hello, Ladybug. My name is Pup. How does the family go? Hi, Pup. The family does not go by plane. Hello, Ladybug. My name is Goat. How does the family go? Hi, Goat. The family goes by car. Hi, friends. How do we go on vacation? We go on vacation by bus. Hey, how do you go on vacation? Car, plane, bus, train. I go by Thanks for listening to the story. How do you go on vacation? Send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.